Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Zone YouTube channel. Here we study class 11th NCERT Chemistry, chapter number 1, some basic concept of chemistry. In this chapter we already learned main points of chemistry, physical state of chemistry, classification of matter, law of chemical combination, mole concept, and many more other topics. Here we study empirical formula and molecular formula. For all those topics, please visit my channel and check the playlist. What is empirical formula and molecular formula? Empirical formula represent represents the simplest ratio of various atoms. Simplest whole number ratio. Okay, it's a whole number, not rational or irrational. Various atoms present in a compound. Empirical formula represent the simplest whole number ratio of the various atoms present in a compound, while molecular formula represent exact number of different type of atoms present in a molecule or a compound. It is a simplest whole ratio of various atoms and it is a exact number of different type of atoms. If we know mass percentage, we can calculate empirical formula. If we know molar mass of the compound, we also calculate molecular formula. For these two definitions, we will discuss an example. For example, here I write an example. In this example, we will calculate empirical and molecular formula. What is this example? A compound contains 4.07% hydrogen and 24.27% carbon and 71.65% chlorine. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram. What is its molecular and empirical formula? First, we will write percentage composition of hydrogen is 4.07% and percentage composition of carbon in the compound 71.65% and percentage composition of chlorine Cl 71.65. It's 24.27% and molar mass is 98.96 gram. Okay, in first step we will convert this percentage into gram. Let us suppose total compound is 100 gram. It's a compound mass. Okay, suppose. So in this 100 gram compound, hydrogen will be 4.07 gram, carbon will be 24.27 gram chlorine will be 71.65 gram. In second step, we will convert this gram into number of moles. Convert into number of moles. How we will calculate? Number of moles in hydrogen, mass of hydrogen or weight of hydrogen present in compound 4.07 upon divided by atomic mass of hydrogen 1.008 gram. We will get it 4.04. It is the number of mole of hydrogen molecule. Next, number of mole of carbon molecule will be weight of carbon molecule 24.27 gram and atomic weight of carbon molecule 12.01. It will be 2.021. Number of mole of chlorine molecule will be 71.65 divided by atomic mass of chlorine 30.453 gram. It also gram, so we will get 2.021. Now in the next step, divide each of number of mole divide each of mole value obtained by the smallest number. In this step, we will get number of mole 4.04, 2.021, 2.021. In all three values, 2.01 is the smallest number. So we will divide all three value by the 2.021. It is the hydrogen, it's carbon, it's chlorine. Mole of hydrogen 4.04, 2.021. It divided by 2.021, 2.021, 2.021. Now we will get 2:1:1. It means in the compound hydrogen is present 2, carbon present in 1, chlorine present in 1. Okay, it is in this ratio. Okay, so there will be compound CH2Cl. It is the empirical formula. After getting empirical formula, how we will get molecular formula? What is empirical formula? We get CH2Cl. What is the empirical mass? We can calculate empirical mass. Atomic mass of carbon 12.01. Atomic mass of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen present, so 1.008 multiplied by 2 plus atomic mass of chlorine atom 35.45. We will get it 49.48. In next step, it's a third step. In next step, what is the molar mass of compound given in the question? Molar mass of compound is 98.96. In this step, we will divide this molar mass of compound by empirical mass for getting value of N. Molar mass of compound divided by empirical mass. (98.96) divided by 49.48. We will get 2. Value of N equals to 2. Now in the last step, multiply empirical formula, this is the empirical formula, by the value of N. Empirical formula is CH2Cl, and we will get molecular formula multiply this CH2Cl by 2 C2H4Cl2. This is the molecular formula of compound. Okay, that's all for this video. In the next video we will get next